What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, 10 new information tidbits that we got regarding the iPhone 13 this weekend. So let's start. Alright, so it's been a productive weekend for everything Apple Pro, Max Weinbach, because they've been on the rumor mill, they've been on analyzing all the info that's coming out. And what we've learned this week is that there are 10 things that I haven't said before on this channel regarding the new iPhone 13. So let's start with number 1. First and foremost, there's going to be a new finish on the Pro models this year. As you know, from the iPhone 11 Pro and 12 Pro, we've had the matte glass on the back. This year, it's going to be a softer touch. It's going to be a more comfortable touch and more grippy, because iPhone 12, iPhone 11 Pro and 12 Pro are pretty slippery, and considering that this new boxy design is even more slippery than the non-boxy design of the iPhone 11 Pro, it's a very welcome feature. Additionally, there is a tidbit that Apple is working on a new titanium finish for the iPhone Pro models this year, which would be awesome. It would be in matte black, which I guess MKBHD will go nuts for, and I truly hope that Apple sends MKBHD the matte black titanium version, because I want to see that video. I really want to see that video. Number dos is, well, we've known this for a long time. It's 120 Hz displays. It's an LTPO display, which means that it can be 1 Hz, it can be 120 Hz, just like the Apple Watch Series 5. Now, the thing is that we haven't talked about on this channel is that it's going to get a always-on display. The iPhone 13 and 13 Pro will have an always-on display, which will show us the time, the battery, and some notifications will come up and be showcased to us, maybe in terms of some small icons as on the Apple Watch. I would really love that. There are some really nice jailbreaks that bring the Apple Watch icons to the iPhone, so that would be a very welcome feature. Number 3, the design is going to stay the same. Not much difference is going to happen other than 0.26 millimeters of thickness coming to the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro. It's going to be a little bit thicker, but it's not known why yet. I have some predictions, which I'll tell you a little bit later. But also in accordance to this, or with this, we will be getting new and stronger MagSafe inside the phones. And as everything Apple Pro and Max Weinbach confirm, it's not because of this that the iPhone is getting bigger. It's because I think of something that I'm going to tell you, so stick around. I think it's really cool. Number 4, what we've always wanted, well, at least, I don't know, I wanted sometimes, maybe 3 nights out of a year. Astrophotography, taking pictures of the stars. With the nighttime photography mode in the iPhone 11 Pro, I started taking amazing pictures of the sky, and I love taking pictures of the stars. I love doing nighttime time lapses, and I've never had that feeling that this is actually a suitable camera for the sky. And now Apple will implement a new astrophotography mode into the camera, which means it will automatically change to a new mode where it can identify different kind of objects, small objects, stars, and you'll have a more brighter, crisper image than what you're used to, and it will be perfect. You can even take a really good picture of the moon. Finally, always wanted. Now, if we're talking about camera software upgrades, we have to talk about the hardware upgrade, which will be for the ultra-wide camera, the most or least appealing camera of all, and the most used, I think, because I use that camera a lot. I love the ultra-wide camera. Beautiful images can be captured with that, but the quality is not on par with the normal or the telephoto camera. This will be getting an upgrade. It will go to a 1.8 stop aperture, which is always welcome, and yeah, that's it. All right, something real cool, something that YouTubers might really want, well, not just YouTubers, anyone who likes to do really nice videos, is a portrait mode for the video. Exactly. You will be able to differentiate the person from the background, and in post, you can actually define how blurry you want the background to be. This takes up immense processing powers, and yeah, it's very welcome. Maybe I can switch from my Canon 80D to the new iPhone, and I can have better results. Really, I'm curious. I'm really curious. All right, and number 9, And this is the reason I think it might be getting a little bit thicker, the phone, is the new iPhones are rumored to get a new vapor chamber. Yes, for better cooling. Now, I have predicted before that Apple might be trying to enter the gaming aspect with the Apple TV. Maybe they wanna reinforce their gaming status in the mobile gaming segment with a really cool phone. And cool, I mean literally cool phone. It will be able to cool down the processor, and you will be able to do more with the phone. And this can be implemented later into the iPad and MacBooks, and I'm pretty sure it's a cool technology. Now, if this is the case, that we will be getting cooler phones, we'll be getting better heat management from the iPhones, gaming can actually take a boost, and, well, you know, what am I saying? For us, what does it mean for you and me? Basically, when we're out summer, in the sun, on our phone, it's just not gonna go dim, which is very, very welcome. And finally, a small tidbit is that you will be able to open your Tesla with your iPhone with the help of the U1 chip. Just like with the BMWs last year, this year, it might be the Teslas. And who knows what we're gonna have next year. So it's very, very interesting. I'm looking forward for these 10 new things. And I'm happy that these infos, these rumors are out because we have something exciting to talk about. More tidbits into the iPhone 13 and 13 Pro Max, or 12S and 12S Pro Max, Pro and Mini, rumor mill. I'm glad. When there's Apple news, I'm happy. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget that there's an iPhone 12 Pro Max giveaway on this channel, so stay tuned. And until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.